Here we have a Dibipack 4255 Evolution. This machine has done very little work. It's extremely clean inside. Came into me, it's had a good clean, just to dust it over because it was a little bit dusty. The only thing that had failed on this was the gas spring had failed and the hood was down. So we fitted a new gas spring, got a clean and a check over, fired it up, and it's running as you would expect. Little known fact, Dibipack 4255. What does the 4255 mean? The sill size on this machine is basically 420 by 550, hence 4255. A little bit of knowledge there for you. But anyway, take your pack into your film, across your seal area, make sure the film's not taut, your hood down, nice bit of pressure, ease the film away, let it finish, the hood will automatically release, time out, there you have one pack. That's a Dibipack 4255 Evolution.